is all you'll need to make your own pizzas. Stop buying those shop bought ones. For the pizza itself, you're going to need some cheese, self-raising flour, a hot sauce. If you're not into hot sauces, use ketchup, some milk, a few herbs and some tomato puree to mix in with your hot sauce or ketchup. The rest are just going to be toppings of your choice really. I've gone with pepperoni, old favourite, onion, mushrooms, bell pepper and some jalapenos. First thing we're going to do is make your pizza dough. This is the easiest way you can ever make pizza dough. So in a pinch of salt and some black pepper, and then in with your milk. You only need one hand to mix it. And then this one's a bit sticky as you can see, so I'll just add a bit more flour, work that in. You're going to do the same with the flour and milk until it forms a dough ball. So if it's too dry, put some milk in. If it's too wet like mine was, just add a drop more flour. When it forms something like that, nice dough ball, then put that to one side. Next, it's on with your tomato base. So into a bowl, put 2 or 3 tablespoons of your tomato puree and either your ketchup or your hot sauce. The object is to make it quite spreadable onto your pizza dough. And into there I like to go with a few mixed herbs and get those all mixed together until you've got something resembling that, which is a nice spreadable consistency. Then it's back to the dough. So what you're going to do, sprinkle some flour onto your work surface, get your dough out the bowl. I'm going to square it up a bit rather than round because I'm having it on an oven tray. I haven't got one of them but those posh pizza stones. So just give it a couple of minutes kneading. Then it's time to get your rolling pin out. And start rolling. When you've done rolling, it's time to pop it onto your pizza tray or pizza stone. That's the sort of thinness you're after, especially if, like me, you like them thin and crispy. Give it a little stretch with your hands. And then that wants to go in the oven for 5 minutes at 180, just to cook it through a bit. With your dough in the oven, it's time to get your veg prepared for your toppings. When your dough's had 5 or 10 minutes in the oven, you'll see that it's slightly risen because you've used self-raising flour, but it's also a bit stiff, which makes it all the better for putting your toppings on. First thing you're going to do is put your tomato base. Next, you're going on with your grated cheese. I've gone for mozzarella, which is a pretty standard one for a pizza, but you can grate any cheese you like, just so long as it's grated. Get it grated up and that'll do just as fine as this. Then it's on with whatever toppings you've chose. I like to put my pepperoni on last because I find that the flavour seeps down into all the other veg. So that's that done. It's back into the oven at 180 for around 15 minutes. You'll pretty much see in the oven when it's done. When it comes out of the oven, something like that. A bit well done on the pepperoni, but no problem, I like it well done. Get your pizza cutter and get stuck in.